Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So I'm back with another table setting and I absolutely love this. And I went with the color scheme of purple and gold. And the best thing is every single thing you guys see here came from the Dollar Tree. So I was able to create this amazing table setting using only Dollar Tree items. So if you want to learn how I did this, then keep watching. All right, so let's get started. So the very first thing I used were these gold chargers on all the table setting spots. And I have, let's see, these purple paper plates. And you guys, I actually use this purple plastic tablecloth, but because I have so much of other things going on, I don't think your guests will pay attention at all that it is an actually purple plastic tablecloth. All right, moving along, on the actual paper plate, I have the purple napkin, and it is, my camera is actually making it look blue, but it is purple. We have the purple napkin and the gold napkin ring holder that I made using the Dollar Tree, they're the silver napkin ring holders in the party section. I just wrapped them in gold bling. So I have that here. And the funny thing is, I didn't want to put purple on purple with the napkin rings, but I think it came out okay because the gold napkin rings actually kind of take away that it's the purple and purple, because I would have preferred of you to use the gold napkins with the gold napkin ring, or maybe even a purple napkin ring holder. But I think it came out okay. Let's see, we have next the centerpieces. So we have the Dollar Tree centerpiece cylinders. And as you can tell, I wrapped them in the gold bling. And if you watch some of my videos or subscribe to some of my, or subscribe to my channel, you'll notice that I use a lot of these cylinders because you can use them for so many things. Like if you just wrap them in gold, if you wrap them in silver, I mean, they pretty much go with any color scheme setting that you want to use. So this worked out perfectly because I didn't have to DIY any more of my jars because I already had them made. Next we have the smaller cylinder jars, and we have the tea light candles right here. Now I do have to say, these tea light candles I did not get from the Dollar Tree. I'm so sorry. But they do have them, tea light candles in Dollar Tree that you can use. I went with these because they're so cute. You can actually drop these in the water. See how it's not on, but as soon as you drop it in the water, it comes on. So I wanted to use that effect. But again, the Dollar Tree does have some. They didn't have enough for me to use, and that's the only reason why I didn't. So I didn't want to show you guys a table setting with only like 2 tea light candles. And you don't even have to put water in them. You can actually just put the tea light candles in the bottom if you can't find the ones that are waterproof. So, but you can still use those here, and you can actually wrap your jar with gold, or you can even put some like, what is it, like the white marbles or the crystal clear marbles in there with the tea light candles. So there's so many different options that you guys can use to do this. Let's see, moving along, we have these purple jars, which are so cute. I was wondering, what can I do with those? It's actually how I got my ideas of doing this whole purple and gold table settings, because I saw these purple jars and I wanted to get them and find a use for them. So I got these bundles of purple flowers. Now, another story with these is I like my flower decorations a little bit more full. And the only bad thing about the Dollar Tree is that I can't find matching items like in bulk. So I got these, and it's like I put them in my basket. And then I was like, you know what, let me go walk around the store because they do have separate flower sections. And I only could find like 3 bundles of these. So I made it work. I put 1 bundle here, and it looks okay, you know, because I got, again, so many other things on this table setting. I think it still works. So 1 bundle there, and then this one is, it is 1, 2, 3. This is 3 bundles. They're different color purple, but it's okay. So, you know, like, I actually think it gives the table more character by mixing in multiple colors of the purple. I think it might have actually been too bland if I just stuck with one color. So I took that, mixed it with the two colors, and then here I used the same purple lavender-ish color as it did on this end, and I kept the one in the center with the multiple flowers. So you can alternate. And again, I think it just adds a little bit more to your table setting. But overall, you guys, I think this came out so pretty. And again, like, it was so easy to do. It was very budget friendly. This is, you know, I think you can actually use this for like a wedding. You know, with the mixture of the different purples and the mixture of the gold chargers and the vases and the flowers. Like, it's a lot going on, but not too overwhelming. And I think that you cannot tell that this, you know, pretty much was done using all Dollar Tree items. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to keep trying to come up with more table settings and things to do so that, you know, you can create these looks and, you know, be able to, you know, like, it doesn't have to cost a lot of money to, you know, throw a fabulous party, you know, a fabulous budget-friendly wedding. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.